I'm out here on my porch, and there is a beautiful thunderstorm going on. It's not raining, but there's a lot of thunder and lightning. And it's 2 days before my next trip. And I just kind of came out here to meditate and feel the energy. And kind of get myself to a peaceful spot mentally. I mean, it's Tuesday night and I leave on Thursday, so. And I've been wanting to make a longer video, but I haven't really had the time. I've been working overtime for the past 3 weeks. I've been putting in between 60 and 70 hours a week. So I haven't had time to do much of anything. I mean, I'm not even packed yet. And I know I could be inside packing right now, but I'd rather be doing this. But yeah. Oh, good lightning strike. So peaceful out here. But yeah, that's where things stand as of now. Until next time.